Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 1st, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the Euro Yen, I think we're personally going down for like a wave 4 right now on like the weekly time frame. I think this is a flat. I think this is impulsive down wave A, and I think this is 1, 2, 3 waves up wave B. I think this could be a running flat also, so we definitely want to watch this 100%. It could end up going down there, making a double bottom, breaking up, and continuing the uptrend. But it could also, maybe even more likely, be an expanding flat. The target for an expanding flat is normally the 161, 178 Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the top of wave B. So we definitely got a couple key areas to look out for. Definitely the 100%, and definitely the 161, 178% if it goes beyond the 100%. So, anyways, on the sort of time phase, I would definitely be looking for shorts. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now. I would definitely be looking to go short at the end of three-way pullbacks like this and three-way pullbacks like this. So really, the only strategy right now I would say is to either be short already, waiting for a breaker structure to get out, or to be patiently waiting for more three-way pullbacks to go short again for the potential downtrend for this wave C on the 4-hour time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.